This is a great call. The guys want to partner up. They'll ask me if they have an old man or an alpha. Hey, I got the big goose. What's a great call to partner up with that? I always tell them the exit. The exit, it's not really that difficult to run. It doesn't take the hand manipulation. They're tuned. They're light to run. They don't take the hands for the back pressure. So it's not always the size of the dog in the fight, but the size of the fight in the dog. And the exit is that dog. I'll give you a quick rundown of this. The exit.